Hey guys, thanks again for tuning in. Today we have gin. We've got egg, citrus, cream, soda water. That's right, we're making the famous Ramos Gin Fizz. Now this cocktail was invented by bartender Henry C. Ramos in the late 1800s, and this was famous for being shaken for a reported 12 minutes. In fact, it took several bartenders on site to shake the drink and keep up with demand. It was a very popular drink. All right, so we're going to start with 2 ounces of our London dry gin. I'm using Bombay Sapphire. A little bit of spillage there. It's no big deal. Next up, we have citrus, 2 parts. We are going to do a ½ ounce of lemon juice, as well as a ½ ounce of lime juice. So pretty heavy on the citrus. Next up, we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. So there's quite a bit of sweetness in this drink. Next up, we have a full ounce of heavy cream, that's 35%. I apologize for the slow motion. That is probably the nastiest pour you've ever seen. It's a wonder this drink doesn't curdle up. All right, next up, we're gonna crack an egg, and just like a sour, we want the egg white. We do not want the yolk. So carefully crack that egg, get the yolk in there, get the white in there, discard the yolk. Don't get any yolk in there. All right, flippy move. We're gonna do a dry shake on this one. So, like I said, originally this was apparently shaken for 12 minutes and kind of passed along from bartender to bartender until they exhausted themselves. How we're gonna do it is we're gonna do a pretty heavy dry shake. So there's no ice in there. I'm just emulsifying everything. And then I did that for maybe a minute, maybe a minute and a half. Then we're going to get our ice in there. So I'm gonna put a big block of ice and I'm gonna crack another big cube. So we get a giant chunk and a bunch of little chunks. We got some stubborn ice here. Come on. Cracky, cracky. There we go. Okay. So we'll get that back together, back and sealed. And now time for the big boy shake. So obviously I didn't shake this for 12 minutes, but I did shake for a good long time. I'd say about 3-4 minutes. And heavy shake. Now, a lot of people here like to do a reverse dry shake. So you do with ice to begin to chill, and then you do your long shake without ice. You strain the ice out, your long shake to get all the foam and stuff going. That I didn't do that, but that actually might work better. But you decide how you want to make it. All right, we are serving this in a Collins or highball glass. This drink is served with no ice. There's so much aeration going on, it's gonna fill that entire glass without ice. Grab your Hawthorne strainer, we're gonna strain it into the glass. Nice milky substance, very foamy, very aerated, thanks to the cream, thanks to the egg white. And make sure to get all that foam in there. Just keep pouring. Don't spill any. Oh, come on, I said don't spill any. Want every last drop of foam in there. Okay, next up we've got soda water. Now we're gonna carefully, slowly pour that soda water right dead center, and it's gonna rise up, and that foam is gonna rise a little above the rim of the glass. That's what you want, is that kind of rising head of foam right above the glass. That's the signature look of a Ramos Gin Fizz. I think I can do a little more. Don't be afraid. Okay, last ingredient, we're gonna put a few dashes of orange flower water on top of the glass. That's gonna perfume the top a little bit. Frankly, I don't think it adds a whole lot. And now here's the signature move. When you stick that straw in there, it should hold its position in the center. The foam should keep it in place. So if you got that, you've got the drink. It worked out. And that's it, guys. That is the Ramos Gin Fizz. How does it taste? Now this drink is all about texture. That the cream, the egg white, the soda water creates such a aerated, smooth, fizzy texture. Taste-wise, it's very citrus forward. Cream adds this creaminess to it. The gin is not lost. You taste the juniper, you taste all the botanicals. I gotta say, this is not my favorite, and I tried really hard to like this drink. It's got an interesting history and everything, but hey, it's just not for me. Alright, hope you've enjoyed that video. Consider clicking subscribe if you want to see more videos. Hit that bell if you want to be notified when we upload new content. And we will see you next time. Cheers, guys.